1929 Bayhurst. This front door might need to be repainted. It's pretty dim in here. So this would be a den. Need to replace those blinds with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. And patch this up. Tile. Nice light fixture. We're at window 2. That's vinyl in there. Pretty dark in there. Window 3, 4. Nice fan. Flooring has chips throughout. You can see the seams are showing wear and tear. So 5 windows so far. This is great. We have rock, minimal trees, fake grass. I could see Jenny recommending a patio overhang so people can come out here and enjoy the yard without having the sun and the heat affect them too much. Let's head upstairs. Carpet's borderline. We'll need Jenny's opinion on whether or not it'll survive a cleaning and stay for a tenant turn. Doesn't feel cramped up here, which is nice. This is vinyl. A lot of times we recommend changing that out for ceramic tile. We're at 6 windows. 7 windows, 8. This carpet looks good in here. We also have these windows. They may not need blinds. That's a Jenny call. I think the house could use a repaint, just give it a fresh feel to it. Was that window 9? I believe we're at window 9. These are decent size rooms. Window 10, carpet looks fine. And lastly, we have our upstairs bath. Tile. So, that's the house.